Hi friends, and welcome back to Focus Poetry with Miss Chavez. Today we're going to read a poem called A Poem with No Title. And that's actually the title, A Poem with No Title. So what we're going to do is we're going to label our title right here. And if I look, there's no poet. So we either say it's unknown or anonymous. If I look at stanzas, I don't see a break in the entire story, of the entire poem. So I'm going to put that there's one stanza. Now I need to number my lines, so number them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to scoot these over. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. There are 25 lines. Now I want you to pay attention to this poem. It's a little bit different, but it's fun. So if you look, this is your hint. Watch what it does. Poem with no title. So let me read it the first time and we'll see what happens from there. A poem with no title. If you stood up with your feet in the earth, up to your ankles in grass, and your arms had leaves running over them, and every once in a while one of your leafy fingers was nudged by a bird flying past, if the skin that covers you from top to tip wasn't skin at all, but bark, and you never moved your feet from their place in the earth, but stood rooted in that one spot, come rain, wind, snow, sleet, thaw, spring, summer, winter, fall, blight, bug, day, dark, then you would be me, a tree. That's kind of a fun ending. So if you look at this, the poem actually makes the shape of a tree. So if you can imagine all of this being the top, and then the tree goes like this. Looks pretty much like a tree to me. Very neat. It's a fun shape poem. So what I want to do today is I want to look for the bossy R's. So when you have a bossy R, it has a vowel in front of it, but you don't hear the vowel sound. You hear just the R. So let's look at each line, go line by line, and see if we see a bossy R. Okay. If you stood with your, oh, there's an R, but you hear the OU. Feet in the I don't hear that A, E, So right here is a bossy R, and it's bossing the E and the A and making them not say their name. You just hear the earth. You don't hear the E and the A, so that's what a bossy R is. Up to your, we found out that's not one, ankles in grass, and your, same thing, arms are arms. Do you hear an A there? R, I don't either. So there's another bossy R. Arms had leaves running over. Nope, don't hear the E. There's a bossy R there. Them. And every, you don't hear that E right there. Bossy R. Every once in a while, of one of your leafy fingers, there it is, bossy R again, was nudged by a bird, bossy R, bird flying past. If the skin that covers, don't hear the E, bossy R, you from tip to top, top to tip, excuse me, wasn't skin at all, but bark. Don't hear the A, so there's a bossy R. And you never moved your feet from their air. Oh, I hear those letters. Their place in the earth. There's earth again. So we've got that. We've had that one before, but there's another example of that bossy R with the E and the A. But stood rooted in that one spot come rain, wind, snow, sleet, thaw, spring, summer, there's a bossy R, winter, oh, there's the same bossy R, fall, blight, bug, day, dark, R, I hear the R, then you would be me, a tree. So there's a lot of bossy R's in this poem. So let's go ahead and read it together one more time. Ready? A title with no, excuse me, I'm gonna stop. A poem with no title. If you stood up with your feet in the earth, up to your ankles in grass, and your arms had leaves running over them, and every once in a while one of your leafy fingers was nudged by a bird flying past. If the skin that covers you from top to tip wasn't skin at all, but bark, and you never moved your feet from their place in the earth, but stood rooted in that one spot come rain, wind, snow, sleet, thaw, spring, summer, winter, fall, blight, bug, day, dark, then you would be me, a tree. So thank you for joining me for Focus Poetry. Come back to that tomorrow and we'll see more about our poem with no title. See ya.